Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tickmill to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, in your web browser, simply search for tradingview.com. This is going to redirect you here on the official website of TradingView. Now, by default, you will be shown this particular homepage of TradingView in front of you. So here on this page, click on the option of search icon here on the top. Now, when you see this type of search bar in front of you, simply type the symbol of that particular currencies or stocks or funds or forex pairs, the chart of which you want to launch. So for example, let's say I want to launch the chart of gold. So you can type XAU USD and then you can click on the option of launch chart right next to XAU USD. Now this is going to launch the chart of gold in front of you just like so. Now over here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Then when it shows you the list of all of the brokers, click on the option of show all brokers so that you can see the list of all of the brokers which can be easily connected with your TradingView account. Now since we want to look for Tickmill, you can either look for its icon here among the given list of brokers, or you can also directly use the search bar here on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you type Tickmill over here, as you can see, Tickmill is available for the connection. So this is exactly what we want. Click on Tickmill's icon. Then it will ask you to provide the Tickmill username and the password. So you need to basically provide your Tickmill login credentials over here. Then click on the option of connect. After that, it may also ask you for the authorization. So you need to authorize Tickmill and you will be able to connect your account with it in no time. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.